extremely pleased with how the meeting turned out. It's continuously growing and becoming better, if I may say that. And I'm sure the growth of ECCMID will continue also to the next years. Obviously, the field of diagnostics is explosive nowadays. We see lots of new developments from the industry and also from academia. The business of diagnostics is heavily dealt with in our society, in the study groups, the members of the society, and of course our program committee has many experts in diagnostics. And this year we've seen a large number of submissions dealing with diagnostics, and also the invited program has a significant diagnostics component. And some of those involve really cutting-edge technologies, which are notable, like next-generation DNA sequencing, machine learning, data science, microbiome studies, point-of-care tests. So all of those are really bringing a lot of excitement into the field. So there are several topics which are ongoing and will always be in the program. And then we have new stuff that is coming, and we try to be as updated as possible. A part of our program is proposed by different entities, our study groups, our affiliated societies, and also many people involved in the program, and of course also the executive committee. And then we have all the abstract submissions. So this year we had more than 5,000 abstracts, and from those, many hundreds are in the diagnostics field, and so we were able to put together a large portfolio of diagnostic sessions.